it's me again. On today's video, it's a tutorial video about TikTok. Yes. So I just installed TikTok last Thursday and I find it very entertaining, enjoyable, and addicting. This video is for beginners who don't want to spend much time trying to figure it out. I will show you how to record and post a video without actually using your hands, and also how to change clothes and change scenes by learning to post the video without using your hands too. Let's start! Okay, so let's go to TikTok and then the Me page. So for example, this is your account. As you can see, my first few videos, you can only see my neck and my chest. That's because those are recorded by pressing the red button. But on my fourth video and the succeeding ones, you can now see my entire body. I started recording those without actually pressing the red button. So how to record the video without pressing the red button? So let's create a video here. Let's press the plus sign at the bottom and then let's pick our sounds, the sounds that you like to use. But before that, I want to tell you about the 60 seconds and 50 seconds you see at the bottom. If you like your music to be 15 seconds long or 60 seconds long, just choose. For now, we will use 15 seconds long. Let's pick our sound. So we have discover here and favorites. So on your favorites, the music that you bookmark. But for now, let's use banana. Pick this. And you can see various icons at the upper right. There's flip, speed, filters, beautify, timer, and trim. So how do we record without pressing the red button? We use this timer. Let's go to timer. And then here, there's 3 seconds and 10 seconds. So that's the countdown before the music starts. So I will use 3 seconds and press the start countdown. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, so that's how you record a video without pressing the red button. Next is how to post the video. So we could change clothes and change scenes. So let's go again to TikTok, Me page, and let's press the plus sign so we can create a video again. And then the sound. So for example, I will use stunning sound. Where is it? Okay, so this one. Okay, so same thing, we have to go to timer. Okay, so now you can see here, it says drag to set recording limit. So just move the red mark here where you would want the music to stop. So for example here, then press start countdown. Okay, so the music just stopped. I did not press the red button. Now I will change clothes and also the scene, or what's behind my back for a while. You now have the time to change clothes. I will change clothes now. So I'm back. I just changed my clothes and so I'm at this door. I will pick timer again and move the mark where I want this to stop. Then start countdown. Okay, I'll change my clothes again. Okay, I'm back. I have a new clothes. I will press timer again. Start countdown. Okay, so I think that's enough. Okay, so that's how you pause the video that you're making, to change clothes, to change your background or the location or the setting. Please let me know if this video helps you by liking, and if you want more contents, subscribe, and if you have any questions or any comments, just comment down below. I'm gonna make another video on TikTok. Yeah. One more TikTok video before the day ends. And thank you. Bye-bye.